going on, guys? Right next to me is a beautiful collector Z28 for our good client Hector. Hector's been modifying and building his car with us for quite some time. We started out with some carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber hood, right next to me with the carbon doors, and so on and back and forth. Now, what exactly is going on here and what did we add now? Well, we gotta go over the highlights and show you guys what we added on this beautiful collector right next to me. 1200 horsepower Z28 Gen 5 Camaro, guys. We're doing something very, very cool to it. This is a collector car with all the power that our client is pushing. Man, you guys gotta wait. Stay tuned for what we got going on. Guys, let's go ahead and show you guys what's underneath this beautiful Z28. It's not just your typical average stock Z28. This thing's on a 1200 horsepower pro-charged engine, fully custom built, no corners cuts whatsoever. Super aggressive. The power is there, the sound, the aggressiveness, the luxury, the carbon fiber, you name it. If this is what you want to go ahead and rock on your car, by all means, we're not the company for that. You gotta hit up a performance shop. But this is probably one of my favorite Camaros that we've ever had in our facility, and by far, I believe, the fastest Gen 5 we've ever worked on in here. Z28, these badges are off for a reason because we've added something new that we're rebadging the new product that we added for our client to make sure he gets the stock batches back on his carbon fiber components. What are those components? Well, let me take you guys to the back and show you guys what we added for our client. All right, guys, as you can see, there's a 3 components, parts, and carbon fiber that we added on this rear trunk setup. What are there? Well, the first thing is the full carbon fiber trunk equipped on his vehicle, adding the spoiler Z28 style, OE style, but we added the nice wicker build that's also adjustable for aerodynamic and speed purposes. If he wants to do level 1 or level 2 of being higher or lower, that is upon his decision, but everything that's equipped with this car is very on point to match the rear UMBRA signature taillights that we manufacture, and down the bottom, the Z28 OEM carbon fiber diffuser. This combination, guys, looking at the car with the beautiful candy paint right here, touches the spot and definitely the right look for this beautiful car. Wow, these doors are really light. Did you guys know if you add carbon fiber doors, you will reduce almost 100 pounds on both sides, knowing that the factory doors are so much heavier than these awesome carbon fiber. Our client is obviously on a weight reduction goal to make sure it's taking off a lot of weight, so his takeoff is a lot better with a lot better timing as well. These doors are fully functional to his door handles and the factory OEM mirror cups as well with the mirror in the front. This carbon door is also blended in perfectly with the weave of the carbon fiber on the fenders, the hood, the trunk, the diffuser, the spoiler, and everything else that he has carbon fiber. What else that he wants to do? Well, he is definitely in the works and interested in doing a one-off rear bumper and a front bumper to be carbon fiber. It's never been done with anybody, and he definitely wants to take it to the next level with us. And we do offer these manufacturing powers to where we can private label something custom for our client. So if you're in that topic and you wish to be the one-off carbon fiber build, feel free to email us at sales@autoaddictusa to help you out. But we're really interested in making this happen. It might take some time, potentially could be in SEMA for next year. Fortunately, SEMA's right on the corner right now in about 2.5 weeks, so this one won't be in this show this year, but for sure our goal to make it happen for next year. But what else did we add? Let's go ahead and dive into more details and go forward from there. All right, guys, so one of my favorite things about the Z28, it's its beautiful OEM factory wheels. As you can see, they're also OEM because they're badged right on the side over here, Z28, with the calipers and rotors and the Brembo setup as well. Also, it's embossed with the Z28 Brembo kit in the front and the back with some awesome Redstone. I do prefer probably Michelin Pilot Sport 4S or R888s with the power that he's pushing. Potentially could be swapping those out very soon with us. But these wheels, they're not cheap on the market either. They're like almost 35 grand for the set. We do offer replicas, which is right over there. If you ever want to get these styles, sometimes people are not really interested in buying the OEM ones for spending all that, but we do offer the replicas available in a perfect setup to make sure you guys get the flush fitment. Based on all the information that I went over that we've added with all the carbon fiber, the modifications, the trunk, the hood, the fenders, the doors, the spoiler, and the taillights, what would you guys want to see next on this beautiful car? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear you guys' feedback. And are we missing something? What do you guys recommend for our client to add? He's more than happy to also see your feedback so we can help him accomplish his dream goal and take you guys on this beautiful build ride with us so you guys are being part of it as well.